as you can see, it is also well packaged, and we give some empty for paper for surrounding to protect it. Let's take it out. And as you can see, this is cover the antenna. Yeah, antenna. And this one we is our
We got 4 antenna.
Yeah, because it is our dual band Wi-Fi ONU, right? Dual band means it supported 2.4 and the 5.8 G. Yeah.
Gigabit.
Yeah. Yes.
Okay.
Now let's have a look at our modules. Yeah, this 4 port is all of these are 1G ports, and here is the PON port. As you can see, it is for the UPC. Yeah. And this one is the port. It is the voice port. And here is our power for the for this adaptive, and this is the button on and off. You can see that. And friends, I want to say one thing about our ONU. I like it so much. You can see this design. This design is ONU. It is very clear for us, and also it can cool our model. Except our this design on the button, we also have some. I can say it is quite good look. Yeah. And we have our design for this. This is from our HSGQ, and here is our logo. Yeah, it's our logo.
So if I want to customize our ONU, so this letter I can customize.
And how to say, this is our cover for the ONU. If you want to change the design, it may involve something like opening a new model. So if you want to customize with a low cost, I'd like to suggest you to do this part, to print your logo here, and yes, this HSGQ brand you can change into your logo, and on the button of our model, can see the button and the information. You can change into what you want.
So I can customize the details about the label, right?
Yes, like the logo, the model.
Okay.
然后还说，甚至如果你的量大的话，我还可以给你定制外观，等这个需要我们开模。
If I place a very big, very large order like ONU about 8,000 pieces, so can I customize the outside look?
Yeah, sure. And inside the OEM, we can do the ODM for our clients. So if you have the large quantity and have the big quantity, we can help you to do the cover as you like.
Okay. Thanks.
This is all the details. You can talk with our clients, talk with our colleague. They will guide you to how to place the order, how to customize our products, and all the details. Yeah.
Okay. So the next overview is.
Yeah, this package is so small, right? It is almost half of the dual band model.
So, could you please introduce these products?